one word, one right, that means being as a student or being as a citizen, we have to live in our country because it is democratic. That's why when I saw the thing just follow me, I told the girl here. I told the chairman of the awakening the movement. He has said that they have demanded special inquiry report for this issue what is happening for NP leadership. That's why also they have pressing now. They are asking the government of India to do a special compensation for the students of what is happening because they have suicide. They have suicide because of this big question. So if we think that we are India, we stand in one platform, we stand in one country. That's why for each and everyone, every one of us, we are living in the state of Meghalaya, either Bengali, Nepali, Assamese, Marathi, whatever. We are living in Meghalaya, we are living in India, we are also the country, we are living in Meghalaya. We have to work together because unity is one of the main platforms we have to bring. If we think that we are not the people, if we think we are not the Indian citizens, what is the meaning to talk about us this issue is happening? It's not happening. It means that the Bureaucratic Council also has organized this platform today. It's one of the main platforms. We have to support. We have to stand. We have to unite. We have to think on how to do and what to do. Because this one, it's not organized only in Delhi and Meghalaya. Now in Gujarat also have been organized this platform. That's why we have to stand. Every day we have to walk. Every day we have to think. We have to think especially for this purpose because the right to education is the right to life of the people. Because of not having any education, it was doing down for the citizens. I feel so sad because of this issue of this pension day. I thought that might be mostly the richest people, especially for the richest people who are going to be the leader of any political party. They said to make this question, I mean they think for themselves only. They didn't think anyone else. They didn't think for the right of the people. They didn't think also for, especially for the young students in India. Millions and millions of students are hiding in India. But why? Why this thing is happening? That's why we have to demand also. We have to demand not only in Delhi, in Meghalaya also we have to demand special inquiry report. And the explanation. If the government cannot do anything, the government has to stop for each and everything. We don't need any political party to rule the government of the people. This is the government of the people, for the people and by the people. We are the citizens of India. We are the leader to have our own rights. We are the leader to send any MP, MLA, MPC. You have the right. We are the one person. We have to demand the right, being as a citizen or being as a student in India. That's why in KHASI I will say, Madam Mary, KHASI, como é o seu, Madam Ken, Madam Kong, President of the University Council. Sekarang lagi pertama debate. Legal debate. Your essay, he brings the first part, he put in the problem because he took him back and he point. They say around making a question government, penantanan question government. Nama mereka ini mereka experience ini bahawa kita berpisah essay. We are not the people, we are not the students who can buy with money. We are the students who have our own rights. We are the students who are keeping on studying each and every day. We are the students on how to grow the nation for the future of the people of Africa. Government should do for each and everything. The government cannot do for themselves only. Not the MP can do everything. We didn't send the MP to rule the government, to rule the people. We are sending the MP to the parliament to do for the rights of the people. What we are demanding as for the rights of the people, we are demanding because why? For the future of the nation. Long live the citizens of India! Long live the state of Italia! And long live for the future of the nation as soon as possible. Give future, give for the rights of the people. Think about the life. If you are thinking about the life, and cannot ruin the lives of people. This question of any diversion, it ruins the lives of the people. Millions of people, they keep silence, and many of the students, they have to say, this is suicide because of every day they have studied. They have studied. They keep on studying. They find out also to have food. Because why? They want to pass the examination. But after seeing what is happening, they kill themselves. They suicide. Then why the government will do anything policy? The government should have a compensation for them also. They have to pay. The government has to pay. Because why? If they're not paid, that means it's not the government of the people, for the people, and by the people. If the Narendra Modi, who are the Prime Minister, if the Congress Sangha, who are the Chief Minister, together now they are standing. If they cannot do anything, that means they cannot pay for the future of the people. Think about the life of the people. Think about the life of the students. Right of the students is the right to life of the future of the nation. Thank you very much for all of you. I would like to thank God. I would like to thank the New Capital Council for organizing this program, because one of the most important things is we are standing together. We are standing for the life of the nation. Thank you very much. And the first thing today is about I'm in Jingïalang, I'm in Jingïalang, the jaitbynriew, the singing, the Advocacy. What am I talking about? Lay it on the face, yeah. The first one of the drill, the chubbing, me, Shukma, the drill, the first one of the Bless you all, bless you, family.